Assam DGP GP Singh has informed that Lal Bingkung Mar, one of the terrorists among the 3 killed in a recent fire actions in Cachar district, Assam border on July 17, has previously recorded history of involvement in terrorism. As per the Assam DGP, Lal Bingkung Mar, son of Lal Thabel Mar, was arrested by the police at PS Lakhipur, Cachar district on June 4, 2019 with arms and ammunition. He was registered under case number 152 by 19 of Lakhipur PS by Assam Rifles, according to the list given in FIR and photographs taken at that time. GP Singh also informed that Mar was also arrested in case NU 116 by 19 of Lakhipur PS of Cachar district. Earlier, on July 19, the kin of the 3 deceased Mar militants, Lalungawi Mar, Lal Bingkung Mar, and Joshua Lalrin Sang, requested a thorough investigation for the sake of justice, asserting that the deceased were law-abiding citizens with no criminal backgrounds. In a letter to the officer in charge of the Lakhipur police station in Cachar district, the parents of the victims informed that, based on the statement given by the Cachar SP on July 17 morning, the Assam police conducted a special operation at around Bhuban Hills, Cachar district, where 3 injured militants wearing Kevlar and helmet were apprehended after the crossfire. Later, they succumbed to their injuries and were pronounced dead at Silchar Medical College Hospital, Cachar, Assam.